Pandesal, a popular daily breakfast bread roll in the Philippines. Soft inside and a little crispy on the outside, especially when newly baked. The pandesal is best eaten with butter and jam, or simply dipped in coffee or hot chocolate. Just satisfying if properly baked. Good thing it is not difficult to make. Here's how. Using the pandesal's simple ingredients, firewood, and a handy, modest oven in our traditional Filipino kitchen, or what we call in Bisaya as abuhan. It is rare to find an abuhan in major cities these days, for obvious practical and environmental reasons. But in most provinces, you can still be in luck. In this episode, we are joined by CCA pastry chef J.R. Bautista. Chef J.R. will demonstrate to us how to assemble, knead, and bake the pandesal using traditional ingredients sourced locally in Manila and at Sweet Bee Farms in Impasugong, Bukidnon. And most importantly, baked in our traditional abuhan.
Yung dating pandesal natin, maalat talaga. Pero yung mga nabibili natin ngayon sa mga bakery, local bakeries natin, medyo matamis na siya. Kasi in-adapt natin sa panlasa ng Pinoy. Una, pagsasama-samahin lang natin lahat ng ingredients. Pati yung water, pati yung egg, huli yung butter. Okay? Mamasahin natin hanggang sa makuha natin yung tamang texture ng ating dough. Kailangan magpapa siya sa window pane. Okay? What do I mean by window pane? Kailangan kapag in-stretch mo in-stretch yung dough, magiging manipis siya. Parang see-through na siya. So that time, pwede na natin siyang i-rest for 1 hour. Or, pwedeng mas mabilis sa 1 hour kung mainit yung lugar mo. Kung malamig naman yung lugar mo, pwedeng lumampas ng 1 hour. Okay? So, after that, i-shape na natin siya into pandesal. Then, i-rest ulit natin for 15 to 30 minutes para mag-double ng size lang siya. Ite-test muna natin siya, no? Yung indentation test. Okay? Kapag pinoke mo siya at mabilis pa yung kanyang pag-angat, ibig sabihin, may ilalaki pa siya. Hindi pa siya pwede ipasok sa oven. Eto, mabagal na yung pag-angat niya. So, pwede na ito ipasok sa oven. Papasok na natin sa oven ng 15 minutes lang. Mga 12 to 15 minutes, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Check na natin itong pandesal natin. Wow! Tikman na natin. So, after 15 minutes, eto na yung kinalabasan ng ating pandesal. Mainit.
Pwede bang gamitin kay itong Tony's strawberry?
Pwede. Balita ko, masarap daw yan eh.
Masarap ito, tsaka locally made. Moist, lambot.
At may crunch. Yung kanyang
Crunchy yung labas. May smoky
flavor dahil sa ating firewood na ginamit.